So here we go again. I've cleaned that one back off. I'm thinking the tracer indicators have turned up. I'm going to slot, can you see that? I'm going to slot that, and so that sits flush on the inside of there, because I didn't want to stick it on the outside because it just looks a bit rank. So we'll fold a little tray for that to sit in, then we'll cut a slot in here, weld that in, make it all look pretty. Job done.
I never knew what heaven was. This gilded love has opened up my eyes. I finally felt I was enough when things get rough. Oh, we made it. We made it. And no matter what, we've got no matter. I'd leave my heart in the palm of your hands. I promise that no matter treasures I'd always do.
So you probably can't see that on camera. I've marked it there and there. I'm going to hit it with a slitting disc and make a gap for that to fit in there. Yeah. So these have been made slightly different. Well, I suppose they would be. Anyway, so that'll go. See that? Yeah, so that slot's cut in there. Just need to tappy tap tap that in there and then weld it. There we go, that's in there, so then that will sit in there like that. Right, let's go and weld that. I think that's, oh sorry, move that. Just stick that on there and that on there. And connection, come on. There we go. So that's what I'm thinking. So I'm happy with that. We'll get that popped back out again. Done the other one. Get them popped out, get them powder coated. We'll do the headlight as well. This one, because I've done that one as you saw. Get that one done. We'll sort the wiring out and the headlamps, and then get them fitted back to the car, and happy days. So what I want to try and do now is, can you see what I'm doing? I want to unpick all this tape, get this sleeve off, make this a nice connection here and a proper connection. I've ordered, but they've not come yet, some grommets with long tails on. I'm hoping that'll reach down to the arm and make that nice and neat. But I just want to get this done first, get this all tidy, and then we'll go.
We made it.
This should give us all the lights we need. So this should be our side light. Yep. This should be too bright. Headlight. Another red light. Perfect. I'll do.
Flashing lights intertwined. I met you at just the wrong time. Lost in your eyes, question the right thing to do.
So put the little arms on there and there. If we just flick the switch up here, which is that one. Ooh. There. I think that's a lot better than that, I suppose, whatever. So that looks pretty good and plenty bright enough. There's also a side light in there as well, but it's one of those bright LED side lights that like proper hurt your eyes, so didn't bother with them. I'm just going to go with the indicators, I quite like them. So guys, reassemble the headlights. Can't do that till those little wire protectors come in. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they should be there when I get home tonight, so I can do that tomorrow. And then reassemble the headlights. They're in the oven. Where's that? They're in there, kind of. Is that there? There we go. So they're all done. It's all ready to go. I just need to wait for those. And then where I cut the wires there because I thought that was rubbish. I'm going to put proper plugs in. So maybe that could be tomorrow's job as well. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Before I went, I thought I'm having them off. Yeah, them off. Look how nice that looks now. Oh, that's so much better. So much better. Right, where are we going to put these? I know. In the bin. Best place for them. Just playing before I went home. Look at that. Right, just had a message to say that eBay have very kindly dropped my little bits off. So I'm going to go and get those, and then we can finish them headlights off. So yeah, it wasn't these that turned up, it was something else. So anyway, I thought we'd put that through here. So we get that, and hopefully that'll bend. I'll go and get one of those things off. That'll bend into the stalk. Let's go and get one of them off.
It'd be smart to cut it off, to not reply when you wanna talk. Say it's harmless, but I'm warning you.
So stainless steel cap head. I had to rethread that bottom because I don't know what that is, apart from rusty. I can go in the bin. That's okay. Right, get that mounted on the stalk. So I'll try and do this on the bench. It's not very easy. You need about 8 hands. And definitely 2 washers.
It could be cold cause I don't wanna fall now in too deep. Can't give you my all cause I know what they're all now where it lead. I could come over baby, but I'm just sleep. It could be cold cause I know that I want but so not what I need. Not what I need.
So not quite what I wanted. I wanted that to hit that hole, but I still think it's better than that scabby arse. This thing here still looks better than that did. So next thing is to find, I think I've only got a 1/4 gang that's complete. So I need to do that's 5. There's 4. Yeah, I've only got 1/4. So I need to go. I've ordered some. They're not here yet. And eBay's let me down again. So decided to dump the water, take the rail out of the way, because both the wiring looms or wiring harnesses, or, yeah, the connections for the headlights and the indicators. Oh no, the indicators aren't too bad, but the headlights are just bullet connectors. There's no waterproofing on them. So I've got this type. I've only got one. I've ordered them and they're not here yet. So did I just say that? I probably did.
Wide awake, so much at stake. Shooting up cause it's getting late. I'm scared I'll say something that may make you think I'm feeling a different way. It'd be great if I was ready, but now it's getting so messy. Said it's honest, but I want you. It could be cold cause I don't wanna fall now in too deep. Can't give you my all cause I know after all now where it lead.
Right, I need a wee. Top hose is off. Obviously the bottom hose is off. Rags are out. Yeah, so this is what we're kind of dealing with. I'm sure we can do better than that. But at least I can get to the
Come
wiring.
over, baby, but not to sleep. I'll pick up your call cause you know that I want, but so not what I need. Not what I need. Not what I need. Not what I need.
Put it down somewhere. Ah!
Not what I need. Not what I need.
Well, it would appear. Side light. Oh yes. A dip beam. Oh yes. Flash of the headlights. Wonderful. And just a ooh. Wow. Marvellous. Right, so now I've got that done. Obviously need to do the other side the same. Indicators need to be done, and then I think might have to just sand all this off. I don't want a blue frame, I think I want a black one. So yeah, next job. So it would appear that you're on the Wonka. There you go. It would appear that I don't know why I didn't think of it before, but I have now, so it's alright. That because we're running off a flasher unit, this doesn't need a flasher unit, this needs permanent power. So I've just pulled a feed off the flasher unit, which is the feed from the indicator stalk to here. So, and I need to run another wire piggybacked off the relay, which is fed from the indicator stalk down to here, so it's just got a permanent live when that's flicked, and that's that sorted. So that's another job I need to do. So I just need to kind of get all this button back up. So I think we'll call the video done at that. I'll get all this buttoned up and tidied up, get the lights put on, and next week we'll they might fiberglass the front panel up because it's a bit of a mess. Okay, thanks for watching. Links in the description for buy me a coffee. If you think this is kind of entertaining and you like seeing what we're doing here, and you fancy just bunging me a few quid for a coffee just to, I don't know, help fund the project, help buy the camera gear, lighting, whatever else, I'd much appreciate it. Thanks for watching, see you next week.